Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To get to the third brake light bulb, you don't remove these screws, you actually access it from the inside. So to lift up, open the hatch. On the driver's side, the clip is not going straight in, it's actually clipping onto the sheet metal this way, so they have to push it up and off. This one's kind of worn out. There might be more force to get yours off, and then you'll go along and pop it out of the sheet metal. If it's hard to remove, you can use a plastic prying tool. You can get these from 1A Auto, and you can push it in here and help you pry it out. So there's a metal clip here and here. There's supposed to be one here, it's missing. Somebody probably had this off before. And then this clip here clips over the sheet metal this way because otherwise the wiring harness would be in the way. You put that aside. To change the third brake light bulb, the socket and connector is right here. You can turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. This is just pull the bulb straight out to change it. This is a 921 bulb. You push it right back in and then put it right into the opening and turn it clockwise to lock it. It needs to slide over this and then we'll get pushed into these openings here. Go up with it, push it in and down, we'll get lined up. Trim panels installed.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.